Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the visual search feature on the Shein application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the shop button down below and tap on the camera icon at the top of the page within the search bar. Tap on add photo down below, select your picture and tap on done. It is being processed. Tap on the photo and here you can find the result of the visual search feature. You have the categories detected at the top. Tap on the relevant category, shirt, trousers, jewelry, and you can browse among the results. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.